some notable names in Kumasi Asante Kotoko setup no indicated clearly say after the first round the person omoko and once Mohammed bro for a players being na reasons being to omoma and once some Mohammed bro fear Kumasi Asante Kotoko after the first round no himself Kotoko a place third position with 29 points and yet bad Kumasi Asante Kotoko ayade this is the first time in 2014 me try camera na see me so na me no di kasubom fear ampacho unsubscribe ya wadaro ma no hit the rest subscribe button na wabo adoma no so no press notification no na ya build it together ampacho wa high super 24 TV wait for follow social media handle so super 24 TV on Facebook, Instagram, you Kumasi Blogman, and Twitter, and I don't know Kumasi Blogman. Wait me, I follow and I follow back. Now, straight into the stories, but the Biamekase, Magudi Musem, Yamiasem. The most important thing, you two for Yankopon Asem, inti Yamfa message way as a light for our power for today, 2nd of January 2024. Let's take this message as a light for our power for today. What's it? Those who don't know how to worship God with their substance end up worshiping their substance. Those who don't know how to worship God with their substance end up worshiping their substance. Gofubu a sebi yama omachede kakra bi substance wo mumu. But enam say omunim ko enfa so suma urade no sa achede na otumfo nyankopon de amon no de adome no odi adom no eno no worship no na amana ye kukuku no de nenamu miwa owura fi se obe worship otumfo nyankopon obo ne ba wiase ono na wo so worship no enya wo substance no enya wo wachede na ede ama no adom na ede ama no na wo so worship no de obo wo no otumfo nyankopon ono na wo so de aseda ene ntontom ene som ema no otumfo nyankopon ema yenti ase. Now yenko stories no Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2 players indicate say mo pese omoko na 2 players Mfege the 2 foreigners na Zeze Kodibuani no e didn't say omo pese omoko. But before that another 3 players so they've been reassured. Meka Richmond Lamptey and Richmond Lamptey, Stephen Desimukwala and Justice Blay. Supplement me and saying reassurance about to the IMC say at least empanyifo na Jombe bia in the next 2 seasons no these 3 players will still be around the team no omonye and IMC no so are assured say they are going to do everything possible for these 3 players to at least stay with Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the next 2 years. Meka Richmond Lamptey, Stephen Mukwala and Justice Blay. Players be sawe IMC na ama assurance say Jombe be a place no ebetina Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the next 2 years no omobeye. Now to players are indicates according to the report I answer kind say and I'm say players and say no omuntimi command regular play e wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko matches no they feel somehow redundant, especially in Fegi. Na wadi nkomo even ne namfofo no players no mo namfofo e wo team num and external wadi nkomo say de ade na ye ne de wan hwa o de som no ebeba wiye na unya club kra de a na chese ni agents no e de beba na bibia ni akotoko akash no okọ because lack of playing time no the more unya bi mo no e ma na ye more rusty. And the same thing is applying to Eric Zeze. Eric Zeze so indicate reportedly say or also nya obeko due to how redundant of late why but in football these things are not solid reasons enough to leave a club. Oko Chelsea, Barcelona, Manchester United players no squad dates no wo ho enye tambia na obenye bia bo until two for Yankopon MINT on this particular one. I don't know what you think as the supporters of this great club. and I say let's do let's talk to them so that they stay. Utu for Yankopon Emma Yentiasia Richard Lamptey and a second Black Star Stephen Ever Kumasi or mobile or join the pictures the videos no a talk for my ever bro if Super 24 TV and also the patch of your friend the blog man but we do see a child be brave me call